Well, good morning. It's March 14th, and today my wife said, actually yesterday, or it could have been 2 days ago, she said, I think I need a new end table. So I went to Home Depot, and now I'm going to take this wood and turn it into that table today. And I got all the pieces cut, and I have the pocket holes done. So now it's just a matter of doing a little doweling. Alright, well, I got one side glued up. Now I've got to go get a few more pieces of wood and a couple more items. Alright, well, there you have it. The completed table. Looks about like the picture, but a little bit different because we've had to make it longer, and I think we made it a little narrower.